o'clock. We're at Pandora's. And that means it's the Oscar and Bernie. You got the bird turd. So we're going to get going here now as Margo's going to hit the music for us. Hey, let's get everybody up here. A couple shout outs to a couple people because we're taping here tonight. We put this stuff up on YouTube. I'm going to thank Crazy Jay's Rockin' Comedy Radio Show for the hangover recovery shots. Now, who is the drunkest bastard in here right now? Who needs a recovery shot for tomorrow? Who's been drinking?
I'm working on it.
All right. Then we're going to give you a bottle then. We got a bottle of this here for you. We're going to thank Pandora's for having us out here. Margaret, if you can hit the switch. Oh. So what we got going for you guys, every Friday and Saturday night you can see Oscar and Bernie over at the Sapphire. We had a nice article written up in the Sun paper here yesterday. And we got some guys that are touring all over the country. And they're going to be coming up here tonight too. If anybody out there wants to get up here and tell a joke, just come on over here and talk to me. We'll get you up here at the end of the show. This is an open mic, so we welcome people to get up here and see what they got. Got no problem with that. So anyways, here we go. All the way from the Jersey Shore. I got Jeremy Shore. So get your hands together now for Jersey Jerry. Here we go. Right on, bro. So what's up, my poops? What's going on, guys? Isn't that funny when white people say shit like that? Oh, maybe it's just me.
It's okay, Pat.
Alright, yes, I'm from Jersey. I hear we have some Jersey people here in the house, right?
Yeah!
There's a couple, 1, 2 Jersey peeps. Alright, you know about Jersey, right? It's the armpit capital of the fucking country. Oh, yes. I mean, smell me, guys. Come on. You can smell the sewers from me. I mean, it's called the Garden State. I don't understand why. Fucking factories and smokestacks. Crackheads from Newark. I mean, that's where all that smog and fog and shit's coming from, you know? Oh, yeah, fucking, I'm actually from Southern Jersey. I have a right to talk like this. Actually, no, I grew up in glorious, beautiful Trenton. Alright. Yeah, I'm not really bragging about growing up in Trenton, but I had a lot of good times, man. Went to the Jersey Shore. You guys been to the Jersey Shore, right? Wildwood, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Seaside Heights is kind of ruined now. I won't go back. One word, Snooky.
Yeah.
Yeah, you feeling me on that, right? Yeah.
Absolutely.
Goddamn fucking ogre looking, man. Yeah, she totally ruined it for me, man. But growing up, man, I grew up in a small town before I moved to Trenton in a little town called Roosevelt. Real small, dinky, like, you know, you drive down one street, shit, I'm in fucking Delaware already, damn. But, yeah, it's a good time. And growing up in a small town when you're young, mischief is fun. Let me tell you. There ain't nothing better to do practicing for baseball with snowballs. That's right. Cop car comes by.
Oh, yeah.
That's 10 points, guys. Yes.
Right.
I actually got pulled over once for grab-assing on the highway. Have you ever heard about that? No, I'm not going to get out of my car and actually grab somebody's ass or something, but you know, it's actually for mooning people out the fucking window. That's a true story. But that's what they call it grab-assing. That's on my way to damn shore. Man, you guys been watching the news lately?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of racial shit going on, huh?
What's that all about?
I'm telling you, yeah, I'd like to know, man. Fucking, you know, Paula Dean. Yeah, I have two thoughts about that whole thing, you know. I mean, she said the N-word. So, is she a blood or a Crip? What's her favorite rap album? I'm curious, you know, what's her favorite rap album? Well, yeah, that's good times. And, I don't know, Obama fans, anybody vote for Obama? No, that's right. Well, no, but he's not doing a good job. I know. I'm trying to think. You know, if he was ever on anything monetarily valued, like money, what would he be on? A food stamp. I like that one. That's a fun one. Thank you very much. Some weird shit going on in the news. some chick, Amanda Bynes, she was in some like Nickelodeon shows. Really hot bitch, man. I'd fuck the shit out of her, I tell you what. I'd bang the hell out of her, man. I don't care if she smokes pot, because I smoke pot. That's a good way to get her in my bedroom anyway, so that would work out perfectly. But she was sitting in a restaurant, making faces at people and stuff, and just talking to herself. And then when she was done, she actually made faces in the window. Knowing that I smoke weed, if I was sitting there in that fucking restaurant, I'd be laughing my ass off. I don't know about you guys, but that'd be some funny shit. Alright, that didn't go over too well, but hey, that's some new material. That's why we do open mics, man. Those good times. But the Obama primaries took forever. Even to get him in office took forever. Anything that would have taken longer than that would have been Michael J. Fox trying to put a fucking quarter in a meter. Yeah, crazy shit. I have some exciting news. My girlfriend's pregnant.
Woo!
Thank you. One person. All right. Well, that joke was about he ran out the door, huh? But, yeah, and my wife's pretty pissed off about it.
Oh.
I had to bring it back to that. But, yeah, we found out we went to the dollar store. You can buy a home pregnancy test at a dollar store. You know what kind of answer you're going to get? Maybe. You know why? Because that shit ain't going to work. You paid $1 for it. That shit ain't going to work. It won't work if you pay $1 some crack whore. No, she won't work either. But we like to go on vacation, me and my wife. We go to Santa Cruz, California. You guys been there?
Yes.
Oh yeah, Santa Cruz is a fun time. They have bungee jumping out there. You guys ever try that? No, well, I don't blame you. Unless you're on LSD. Now, come on, that'd be a fun trip, huh? I mean, just watching people, it's just fine. Yeah. Oh, good times. But I was excited about going. You know, I brought the weed, you know, I brought some beer. She brought a pair of scissors. That's the story of my life, guys. Just crazy, man. Crazy shit. I just bought a moped a little while ago. You guys ever ride a moped?
Yeah. Yes, I did.
They're fun, man, aren't they? You guys should be part of my posse. I was actually thinking about coming up with a moped gang. The Desperados. Fuck, man, I don't know, but I get passed by a lot of people giving me the finger. You're a loser! You're on the moped! You suck! From some 85-year-old lady driving a fucking smart car. You're not even smart! You're driving 25 miles an hour and I passed your ass! How do you feel now, fucker? That's why I just cursed an old lady. Who smokes pot out here? One person? Bullshit. I smoke weed. I smoke weed. Now, I'm sure everybody's tried, you know, somebody's tried. But I love fucking smoking pot, man. And when you're young, you come up with some crafty ideas, too. Like, you know, you build some bongs or bowls. My favorite thing to build out of was a carrot.
How the hell did you do
And
that?
I'll give you a reason why. Because it's easy to do. You just use a screwdriver, blah, blah, blah. And you can eat it. Not to mention, you can actually have sex with it later, too. I don't know. That's probably why my lady left me. No, we can't use food anymore. You're boring. That's why I left you. That's how we do. Yeah, but yeah, there's an initiation process. I'm going to bring you guys back to the moped thing. There's an initiation process. If you guys are interested, I'd love to join this fucking group, man. We're going to be tough, dude. Real tough. And you have to do something daring, like wear pink socks. Have a tattoo of Tinkerbell, you know? Go rob a cripple. I don't know, you know, something. Yeah, you gotta do something ballsy. Go back to the pot thing. See, that's what happens when I smoke pot. I kind of go from one direction to the other, and the LSD doesn't help too much either. But I love watching, let's see, cartoons. You like watching cartoons, Hi?
Yeah.
Yeah, who doesn't? Like Scooby-Doo? Love the Scooby-Doo. Mystery Machine, man. It's not a mystery. You know what the fuck's going on in there. Okay, Shepard. Yates. Now, come on, man. Sardines, pickles, pepperoni, mustard, all that stuff is on that damn sandwich. Mm-hmm. What I'm saying, man. See, porn's not the same anymore. Who likes porn? Exactly, who doesn't? I'll even watch 70s porn. Even with that music that goes, I mean, how can you actually have sex to that? I laugh my ass off watching that too. But it makes me want to dance a little. Yeah, baby, I got the rhythm. Yeah, baby, yeah. We're getting a little X-rated. We need some more women up in here. I don't swing that way, fellas. Oh my God. Let's see what else is going on. I hear rent-a-cops. That's a random thought, huh? How the hell are you a badass with a flashlight and a pair of handcuffs? Ooh, baby, yeah! Handcuff me to the wall. Oh, yes. Spank me. Oh, fuck. Those are women cop, I'll say this too. What time am I at?
That's 15 after.
Nice. Let's see. I got a navigation system for my van. You guys have one of those? Do you? Yeah, they're pretty cool, right? They talk to you. Yeah, GPS, right? You know, they tell you which way to go.
You got a sweet voice.
Thank you. I'm pretty sexy, aren't I? Appreciate you. I'm not going to show you my nipples. This isn't one of those type of shows. It's not risque up here. It is a nice mood, though. I mean, look at the mood. It's nice and dark in here. Well, we could see porn in here, couldn't we?
Yeah, freaking light.
You got the bullseye.
But anyway, we're not about one of those things, but we found a valid personality to it, right? Like the British? Cheer up, my good man. Make a right turn right here. Good day, sir. Okay. Of course, you have to be politically correct. You have to have the brother man. Any blacks in here? Because last time I was here, I know you remember that.
It's on YouTube.
I know it's on YouTube. You gotta check this video out. But yeah, you have to have the brother, the brother man in there. Motherfucker, shit! You just missed your turn. Fuck, shit. I love that one. I'm part of Paisan. I'm Italian. Any Italians in here? No? Shit, don't tell the mafia, man. I was in trouble in Jersey. That's why I'm out here. But I have to do one of the Italian. You jerk off. You just missed your turn. Maybe I should end with the black one. Maybe the black one is dating, man. Dating is tough these days. It really is. I've been with the same girl now, no shit, for 10 years, off and on, with my other 5 other girlfriends. But we met on the internet. Anybody done any internet dating? Yeah. One person, all right. We got one. Yeah, Craigslist is great. It only cost me $2,000, but
It only cost me $2,000.
But she stuck around because you have to be really picky and choosy with the girls that you find on the internet. You have to have the right statue, the right the eyes, the hair color, dick size. You have to tell her your dick size, the important shit. Yeah, good times, but they'll stick around for a while. But I'm gonna end here pretty soon. But when you find a really good one, when you can fart in the fan and it blows back to her, and she's still in your bed, smelling that smelly ass fart that came out of your ass, and she's still there. She's a keeper. Thank you very much, Pandora's. I'm Jeremiah. Give it up to Oscar. Well done, brother. Thank you. That was great. Wow. What we got to do is get a couple better speakers in here, I think, next week. These things are starting a little tinny or something. Let me see what it does. Boop, 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 boop. Test. All right, hey, where you guys going? You can't leave yet. We got a guy coming up here from Chicago. You got to hear him. He works across the country. Dave Yates has been working clubs for the last 3 years across the country. Works colleges, Or comedy clubs.
That was good, dude.
And he's going to be in Wisconsin here this next month. So get your hands together, Mr. Dave Yates. Come on here to entertain you guys tonight. Come on now. Oh, Dave. Here we go, bud. Thank you. I appreciate your time.
I've lived in 7 different states. I've been to at least 4 different comedy clubs where they do open mic. I know this isn't one of them.
How we doing, Pandoras?
That was good.
All right.
Mediocre at best. I said, how we doing, Pandoras? Fantastic. Well, my name's Dave Yates. I'm from Chicago. And, you know, Chicago is the city of wind. So I say we get the cities of earth, water, and fire a call. And maybe Captain Planet will join our party. But if you call the city of water, you're going to get an answer machine message. Because New Orleans still ain't doing so hot. All right. You know, so I started doing comedy, and when people find out about it, they always ask me that question. They're like, hey, are you funny? And I don't know how to answer that question. Because I don't want to be like that guy when a new movie comes out and be like, yeah, man, that new movie is fucking great. And then you go see that new movie and you're like, this new movie fucking sucks. You know, there's all these expectations, you know?
Thanks.
Like if you go to a funeral and you bring tissues, you expect to masturbate into them. You're right. You're right. All right. Summertime's here. My favorite part about summertime is music festivals. But the worst place at any music festival, hands down, is the Porta-John. It's like a 100-degree death trap in there. People go in there like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. And they come out the same way, except it's more like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So I was in one of these things once, and I noticed that someone had taken the liberty to draw on the Porta-John walls. Now I could barely hold my breath long enough to do my business, to become a Porto Picasso and start sketching pictures.
Nice.
But as I looked closer, I realized that someone wrote, free chili with an arrow pointing down. I looked, there was no free chili. So everybody likes shit when it's for free. So buyer beware. So I walk around a lot, I love walking around, but people always like to yell shit out their car windows at me. I was walking down the street the other day.